In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to delete products on Wix. We'll start by navigating to the Wix website dashboard. The dashboard is your command center where you can manage all aspects of your Wix account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left side of the screen. Here, look for an option called Catalog and click on it. This will lead us to the section where we can view and manage all our products. After clicking on Catalog, your screen will display several options related to your online store. Among these options, you want to click on Store Products. This is where we can find detailed lists of all products in your online store. Upon clicking on Store Products, you'll see a more detailed menu appear. Here, select Products. Now, all the items in your store will be shown. Take your time to scroll through your products and find the one you wish to remove. After you have found the specific product you want to remove, click on it. You will then see 3 dots, typically located near the product details. Click on these 3 dots to bring up additional options. Among the options that appear, you will see Delete. Click on this to initiate the process of removing the product from your store. It is important to remember that this action usually prompts a pop-up to confirm the deletion. So pay attention to the screen for a prompt that reads, Delete. When this prompt pops up, you'll need to click on Delete one more time. At this point, you are confirming the deletion and the product will be permanently removed from your store. Congratulations, you now know how to delete products on your Wix website. While it is a straightforward process, it is a crucial skill to have, allowing you to manage your online store seamlessly. Remember to review the products in your store regularly and remove any products you no longer sell or stock. This will ensure your customers always have a clear understanding of your current offerings. Remember, managing an e-commerce site requires constant updates and monitoring. With this tutorial, you now have one more tool to efficiently run your online shop. Practice removing a product and add the process to your regular store management routine. Main axis alignment to your learning journey and all your efforts in maintaining a streamlined